We're at Thunder Tech. We've got a calendar shoot to do. We don't know how long it's going to be, but I think we'll be here most of the day. Hannah, how many models are there?
I'm not sure.
Hannah's not sure. I think there's quite a few.
Like 15 maybe?
Okay, we've got maybe 15 models, so it's going to take a little while. A whole lot of motorbikes in there, so that's going to be the backdrop. You'll see the video soon. Just going to get some drone shots now, just for the intro, and maybe for the vlog as well. We'll have a look around, see if there's any nice stuff around here I can shoot as well, but other than that, we're all here. We're a little bit late, the other photographers were waiting for us, but... We're shooting now.
How's it going?
Photo's going good.
Oh yeah. It's Adam, man. What do you expect? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Oh damn. Nice. We all know you like a good sausage. What are you drinking, Adam?
Water.
Oh, we're changing the bike out again. Look at these bikes, guys. Some of these bikes, man, I'm going to take them around the shop. We've got bikes all through here. We got another shooting area just through there. Been shooting other stuff. Look, we got a dyno, a bike dyno for a photo. All the girls should cross their arms and the guys do their model pose.
Girls in front, you guys at the back.
I'm quite happy where I am. This is who we have done.
Yeah, we can close off our vlog.
Oh, and we've got this as a little bit of a party starter.
Just a few of them as well.
At least like shake.
3, 2.
That's got to be the money shot.
Yep.
What's your name? Bit of a stud, aren't you?
This is my good side. Hey guys, we just finished our photo shoot for Rowdy Promotions at Thunder Tech in Mundaring. Had an awesome day. Stay royal. Is that it?
Stay royal. Oh yeah, Adam's off to Japan today, yesterday, tomorrow.
So he won't be in any more vlogs.
Yeah, editing our photos on the plane.
Yeah, but he'll send us some footage, won't he, for the vlog?
Yes.